The centerpiece is a color developed from scratch, Dragonfly Blue. Like the wings of its namesake, the paint is a living thing, shifting from a deep electric blue to a vivid turquoise as you move around the car. Bugatti's engineers spent months color matching the wheels to the body, a feat of chemistry considering the vastly different materials and paint systems involved. Follow the lines. A complex pattern of iridescent ellipses dances across the flanks. It begins subtly at the front, densifying toward the rear before dissolving into the air intakes. For the first time in Bugatti history, the iconic Macaron emblem on the driver's side isn't a badge. It is woven directly into the painted graphic with microscopic precision. It's a detail that required a level of hand finishing rarely seen, even at this level. Inside, the Dragonfly theme takes a tactile turn. Bugatti developed an entirely new material for this cabin. Leather meticulously layered over Alcantara in a three-dimensional geometric pattern. It flows seamlessly across the door panels and armrests, a first-of-its-kind application that required a total rethink of interior engineering to ensure the materials sat perfectly over the Mistral's curves. Underneath the art sits the apex of internal combustion, the 8.0-liter W16, 1,600 horsepower, a 282-mile-per-hour top speed, and the raw, open-top roar of the fastest roadster ever conceived. It is nature's complexity, rendered in carbon fiber and lightning. If this is the Mistral's swan song, it's a beautiful one. Drop a comment. Is this the ultimate Bugatti collection?